How to change the Shopee email. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the Shopee email. Open your web browser and type in shopee.com in the search bar. Once the Shopee website loads, look for the username option and click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, select My Account to access your account settings. Now, locate the Change option and click on it. A confirmation message may pop up. Click on OK to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your email address. To do this, click on the Verify by Email link provided. Open your Gmail or email provider of choice. Look for the verification message sent by Shopee in your inbox. Open the email and scroll down until you see a link that says Here. Click on it. After clicking the link, you should see a message stating that your verification attempt was approved. Now go back to the Shopee website and click on your username once again. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Profile to access your profile settings. On the Edit Profile page, locate the Change option and click on it to change your email address. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.